Zhuhai Shuangye Electronic Technology Company Limited, established in 2010 year, is a professional manufacturer specialized in electric bike, e-bike conversion kits, and e-bike batteries. Our factory located in beautiful coastal city, Zhuhai, China. 5 kilometers to Zhuhai Airport, 1 hour to Hong Kong, Macau, and Shenzhen. We have professional technical and production design people, with advanced production line, precise processing workshop, assembly workshop, and the improved e-bike testing equipment, provide reliable quality guarantee and thoughtful service to customers. We offer reliable quality products and after-sales service for global customers, and our product range includes city e-bike, mountain e-bike, scooters, e-bike conversion kits, and e-bike batteries. We are supporting OEM and ODM service, except for sales team, production team, technology support team, quality control team. We also have a room R&D team to keep development, new product, and meets customers' requirements, such as appearance, design, and function requirements. We dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our products have been passed CE, EN 15194, MSDS, and UN 38.3 certificates. Our market divided into domestic and overseas, exporting large quantity electric bikes to Europe, South and North America, and Asia. In the direction of quality is culture. We have already won reputation among customers, which means one famous cooperation of Zhuhai City. Our sales team will help solve all kinds of e-bikes questions promptly and efficiently. Sincerely, our customers from all over the world do enjoy our professional service.